So has a big crack across the board from here to there. As far as I can see, I've scratched back the traces just so I can solder across the crack, and cleaned it up a bit with isopropyl. So yeah, just gonna add some flux and solder. Hopefully it'll fix it. We'll see. So I got the powers on now. It's just very, very quiet. Don't know if it's the speakers, they're a bit cracked, so it could be the speakers or something else. It's louder on AM than FM, but pretty happy with that. Kind of a success, although I guess I got to figure out why it's not so loud. Got the power light now too. For some reason it says battery, even though it's plugged in, but yeah. Guess at some stage I'll try see what's wrong with that. I'm gonna leave it play for a while too and see if it gets louder. But yeah, pretty cool.